Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Easter carrot. So first, I made the burlap cover to go over my front door. So first you'll need 1.5 yards. Then you're going to want to cut on the folded edge that's there. So you'll have two pieces 1.5 yards lengthwise. So on one end you're going to cut a decorative points. This will be the bottom part. And then on the other end you're going to sew straight across to create one long train. Then you're going to zigzag all the raw edges and make sure when you turn the edge to sew the straight stitch, you're turning it in to the wrong side where the other raw edges are from the seam that you just created. Okay, so that's done. Then you're going to work on a carrot. So I just drew out kind of the shape of a carrot in different panels to kind of make it look like I cut it out from a pallet. But we're not going to do a pallet because pallets are heavy and I want to place this on the door, make sure it's kind of light. So I took I think it's a 1/2 inch long plywood board, cut them in one long strip. Then I measured, I think the point is 2 inches, and then I went up every inch. So I measured a 2 inch, a 3 inch, a 4 inch, a 5 inch, a 6 inch, and then I went all the way up to, I believe, 8 inches. Something like that. You can make it however long you want. I mean, it's carrot, so you can make a short carrot or a long carrot. And then the top part panel is going to be shorter just to create that round look. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. And I kind of zigzagged it so it wasn't perfectly straight panels, but it was zigzagged, angled all the way up. The top part piece is straight though. Painted it, let it dry, painted it orange. Then it was kind of too bright for the burlap fabric that's underneath it, so I watered down brown over top of the orange, and then I scraped it off, so it kind of had looked like it just pulled out of the dirt sort of thing. Got some green ribbon, tied it to the top, made a pretty bow with the rest of the ribbon. Got a smaller ribbon, tied it also to the top panel, but this is going to hook over to the front door hook. Okay, then I added just a small little wreath to go with it and some more ribbon to go to the side of it. And that's how I made this super simple Easter carrot. Super cheap, pretty affordable. I just had the stuff around my house and the wood in my garage doing nothing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions of stuff for me to make, let me know. Comment below. Have a happy Easter.